I guess got a report of a person hit by a train. They're redirecting units to 4th Street between 10th and 11th.
We want to go fast. Latitude 1. Latitude 1. And so you get that ambulance to move up when you get by. The travel lodge here, the garage, that should have access to right where the victim is. That's what.
Amtrak. Rescue 1 coming in. They're gonna go on the other side, I guess.
The travel and garage, 515 West 4th Street, between 10th and 11th. 9910-4. Chief, we made access in front of 21's rig to the Amtrak line. About a 287. 287. Call box 1679, 1040, code 3, apartment. 2-1 of a kind, did you get that? Notify housing. If you would mind. I got the door, the access to the stairs, the Amtrak line in front of 21's rig. 10-4. Through the parking garage or somewhere else? It's right in front of the rig, the door's open, the member's coming through now. It's to the left of the front of the hotel. Right below you. What was the access? Inside the garage, the travel, 515 West 14th Street, between 10th and 11th. 515 West 14th, 10-4. 9-7. We notified the 99, and we are standing by the command post with a truck. Supply them with EMS, backboards, and a hearse tool if needed, okay? 10-4, 99. 99. Time 7 is at Penn Station with EMS, and I can supply you with a hearse tool, backboard, and other equipment, okay? 10-4, members are making their way down. We also have Amtrak. Battalion 9, go ahead, Red. We have a train idling. What appears to be a northbound track. If you can, could you call for power off? Your numbers operating on the track. And we just made contact with the victim. We get to report in a minute. 10-4.
Alright, Rescue 1 has it on the other side.
No, rescue!
Battalion 9, the Latitude 1. Latitude 1. Rescue's made contact. Have you made contact with rescue? Yeah, we're right here. We're in front of the train that he's talking about. They're making their way up. 10-4. I don't have power off yet, so make sure you take care of your members, keep them safe. 9-9 Alpha, Amtrak will get you a, I believe it's northbound direction. 7-4. 10-4. 7-4. 9-9 in Manhattan. Rescue to command. 9-9 command. Go ahead. Contact with the victim. Battalion 9, I just made contact with the engineer. He has the train completely stopped. He also notified that there's no other trains coming southbound. 10-4. I'd still like to, we're going to send units down to set up warning guards both directions. Okay? So when you see them, they'll head there. Yeah, sounds good. This is a diesel line anyway, not electric. About the time, too. Yeah, Lou, the conductor just said we got to confirm power off.
Alright, so this Amtrak line runs underneath the buildings here. They've had a fire under there not too long ago.
9-9 Alpha, just so you know, I sent 54 south to protect anything coming north, and 26 engine north to stop anything coming south. You can let Manhattan know. Also, we're using 2 and 2 right now, a rescue. Battalion 2's on Washington, please. Rescue to Battalion 9. Rescue 1, go ahead. Battalion 9, so you just power down the train, communications should be a little bit easier. We got medics under the train right now. We're looking to get a verdict. Looks like he's dead. 10-4. If they confirm that, then we'll leave it for, I saw Amtrak PD is here, and we can leave it in their care. Sounds good. Looks like the RESU just came down from full system. They'll fill you in a minute. 10-4. You let me know when you have that verdict. And I'm sure you heard me say I placed safety guards at each end of the track for you. We'll pull them back as well when you say. Sounds good. 10-4. Thank you, John. Squad Battalion 9. Squad 1-8, is that you? Yeah, 10-4. We're standing by on that report from Rescue 1 up on 42nd Street at the end. We're on 42nd Street. What is the location of 21 truck? Come around to 43rd. Rescue 1, go ahead. FDNY rescue medic, pronounced DOA. Discuss who's going to get the body out of here with Amtrak police.
Alright guys, so as you heard, it's a DOA. 10 person must have fell or jumped in front of the train. They're going to turn it over to Amtrak PD. Cruiser starting to lift up here.
All train traffic has been stopped on the Empire line. Bring him on. 10-8. Thank you. What is dispatcher from me? Negative, just needed to know when all personnel off the track. There's still FDNY EMS resources that are going to be here until NYPD resources remove the remains. 10-4. Okay.
Rescue 1's on the other side.
I'll confirm with them that they have somebody to let the dispatchers know.
They originally got dispatched to 34th Street and then got changed. So Rescue 1's quarters is right there, down there. You can see the red lights down there. They got dispatched to 34th Street and then they changed it to 42nd and 43rd Street. Well, originally 43rd Street. The Rescue 1 knows that there's an entrance this building goes through. So they went to 42nd Street. Units are taking up transferring command over to Amtrak PD. Rescue medics pronounced the body, and go 10-8.